Hey guys, welcome to Share Inspirations. Today we are going to be planting some Louisiana Iris. These guys like to be in a lot of water, so we're going to be planting them in a place where I do have a lot of water. So let's get started. Alright, so I have already loosened up the soil with my auger, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hori-hori knife. I highly recommend that if you only could get one tool in your garden, this should be it. And we're going to plant these. These don't like to be planted very deep, so these crowns need to be hanging out of the soil, because that's where it's going to grow from. So here we are. Needs to be not too deep. Here we have another one. I have one big one and then two small ones. So here we are. And the third one. Just make sure that the soil is covering the rhizome, and that's it. And here we are. We have planted our Louisiana Iris. These guys have a little bit of a long season of flowering versus the Dutch Iris. Since the Dutch Iris is one and done per bulb, these are about 2 or 3 stalks per rhizome. So a little bit longer of a growing season. Now, if you're wondering why I have this water here, this is supposed to be for soaking when you receive them. I receive most of my plants in the mail via the plant exchange, and then even the ones that I order from retailers, when they come in, the rhizomes must be put in the water for them to rehydrate for me to have the best results. That's my personal experience. If you have had a different experience, please do comment below and let me know. Alright, thank you for watching and have a great day.